Hi, it's Jess from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So it's Sunday, so I've got a haul video. The first haul video is going to be a storage haul video. Even though I promised myself I wouldn't buy any more storage until I've sorted my room out and I know what storage I need. But yeah, that just never happens. And some of these things were just so gorgeous that I couldn't resist. So I got quite a few of these things from Rach of Rach Bella Crafts. She has downsized her craft room, and yeah, so she was getting rid of a few bits when we were at the last retreat. So I was like, yeah, I love them. That'd be pretty. So yeah, so I got this. It's cute, and I think it'll be useful. So these are like 4 inches deep, and it is about 4 3/4 high, and then we got 15 inches long. So this will be really useful. I think I know where this is going already. I love the little bees. How cute are they? So each of them got these nice little drawers. So obviously that would have been the original thing. She just turned it around and put a knob on. Yeah. So yeah, when I do some more craft room organisation, and certainly on my tour, you'll see this in situ. So yeah, got that from her, and I got this from her. When I say got from her, yeah, I bought them off her. Oh, there's an envelope, useful. There we go, little envelopes go in there. So this is the top. So we've got lots of little nice cubbies. She got this sort of paper she just shoved in to decorate. I quite like it. And it, if I show you sideways, can I? You can see it tapers down, and in the front section we have 3 little drawers like so. Really hard to show on camera, but they're quite long, these drawers. So I think I can get quite a lot in there. They're these holes, apertures, are like 7.5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide ish, big-ish there on that. So yeah, I can get a lot of things in there. And I want to find a place on my desk for this, because I think that's where this will be most useful, if I'm honest. So I do need to do a major sort of change around there. So those are the ones. Oh, and I bought this as well. Oh, I've just done a major boob, but anyway, that is right. So I got this, £2. I paid £2 for this. A little bit, I just need to bend it back a little bit. So it's a nice little tray. It will take, if I got something A4, it will take my A4 sheets like that. So I have bought this for sort of like paper storage. I've got another one that does this sort of thing. So I'm kind of and when I bought the other one, I meant to go back and buy another, and I didn't. So there we go. So that is 4 tiers, 4 of them. 1 2 3 4. I've got one that's like a 3-tiered one that I got off to my sister-in-law when she was packing up and going to Turks Caicos, and I've got it on my desk of projects to finish. So I think maybe another one of these on projects to finish is a good idea. So we got that, and then there was like a freebie table, and so I picked up another couple of bits on the freebie table. And this is what I just dropped. So I remember Rach showing these on her channel, and so I remember thinking, oh, handy things could go in there. And I said, oh, I wonder if that would fit in a CD rack, because I've got above my desk up there, I've got a 9-hole CD thing. I think it was from IKEA. Not sure, to be honest. It might not have been. And I thought, oh, if that fitted in the aperture, that'd be perfect. And I'd put little things. And it does. It really does. So that is a potential place that it's going to go. So I'm quite pleased about that. So yeah, and I can put all sorts of bits in there, and I like the fact you can see, because I am very much, if I can't see it, it doesn't exist. It's a little there's a developmental stage that babies go through. Oh God, and now my brain has just gone boom, can't remember it all, poof, gone. But where they so that's why babies love peekaboo, because when they can't see you, you no longer exist, you've disappeared, and then you go boo and show yourself, and they're surprised because they honestly believed you weren't there anymore because they can't see you. And I can't remember what it's called now. I bet there'll be a few people now going, it's called blah, 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 and it might come to me by the end of the video, but probably not. And I suffer from that at my grand old age, and yeah, if I can't see my craft stuff, I forget I own them. So there we, and I sometimes might buy it again. So there we go. And then, oh, and she had this, and I've already got one of these. It's just sat there next to me, full of stuff, really useful. And so I went, oh, that'd be quite good to have another one. So here I have. I've got another one. Lots of things stick in here quite nicely. I did, when I first got it, I put my blocks, my acrylic blocks in there. And don't hold all of them, but you know, it was quite useful. So this will be useful and used. So yeah, I couldn't resist. So that was the stuff I got from Rach, and then I have been charity shopping this weekend, and I bought this, £3, and my thoughts are that I can hang it on the wall. There is a, oh, that's the back of it. There's these little bits, so it could be bolted to the wall. My friend said, have you got wall space for it? And I went, well, no, not really. I haven't. I've like used every inch of my wall. I haven't wasted any bit of this craft room. All the wall space is used. But I said there is a space, I can see it now, where it could go down the side of something, and then I can pull it out and have it near my desk when I need my distress inks. Now I'm going to get a bottle of distress ink and see if it fits in. This is when we find out it don't work. Oh no, they fit. They do fit. I don't know if two will fit next to each other. Yeah, it's fine. They fit. They fit. So that was my thoughts. I know you can't really see, but my thoughts were, I can put my distress inks in here and maybe a few other bits and bobs, and then I can see them, and then I can remember you own distress inks, Jez, and like that one's not even been opened. I bought them in a sale. They were like a ridiculous bargain. This was last year's birthday present, if I remember rightly, and it's my birthday in a couple of weeks, and look, some of them aren't even open, but you know, a lot has happened since then. I certainly wasn't crafting around my birthday time. So they're good, and they will go, don't know if you can see what I've done there, they're kind of in a triangle, so that will fit more on, and I can still see the colour at the back there. So I am delighted that that idea I had is gonna work for that. Just need to find a home for it. Easier said than done in my craft space, but yes, so I've got that. And I'm a sucker for a pretty box. I like tins, I like boxes, I like things with drawers, even though if they're behind a drawer I won't see them, but you know, hey ho. And yeah, I saw this, so I had a friend come stay for the weekend, and we went round all my charity shops, and we were both drawn to this box. Look, how beautiful is it? It's really beautiful. You see the shape on the front. It cost me £2, and where's the front? So it did have a key in it at one time. Ain't got that. And it opens it up, and it's velvet, and it's just beautiful. So just do quite a satisfying little clip close there. Yeah, no idea what I use it for. Special things. I just thought, you know, probably things that Ed gave me, or memories, or you know, whatever it's beautiful, it had to come home with me. So so yeah, that's what I got there. So that's all my storage, isn't it? Yeah. So I've got 3 hauls lined up, so I'm going to get them all filmed. So that's, you know, 3 weeks done. So I'm getting quite good ahead with videoing, doing some creating. Still only doing 2 a week at the moment. I think in the new year I might branch out and do 3. I'm doing 2 Christmas collaborations, so there might be the odd extra splattered. I've been thinking about my collage, doing a sort of a weekly collage in my special book. Quite a few of you went, yeah, do it, Jess, that'd be lovely. And my friend Ronnie made me laugh. Ronnie, you do make me laugh. She said, yeah, do it, do the collage, even though I have no idea what the point of them are. So made me chuckle, and that's good therapy. I need to chuckle. I've had a really rough time this last week or so. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I haven't crafted in well over a week. So I'm filming this on a Monday the 27th of October. So a week ago Saturday I travelled down to Devon, and yeah, so I didn't take any crafting with me because it wasn't that sort of visit. Although I did do some digital crafting, so my Monet kit's nearly ready. Yeah, so yeah, I need to get crafting. I came back on Thursday. I had a friend come Friday, and she stayed for the weekend, and that was wonderful. So not crafted. So here I am, and I've got plasterers this week, so I'm not sure what I'll get done this week. So anyway, enough of that. I am going to say goodbye now. Have a lovely rest of your Sunday. Hope you're doing some crafting, and I will see you in the week for something that I'm making. All right, bye for now.